I'll show you how to clean a dehumidifier. This dehumidifier is filthy. It's got little dead spiders in there. The wick is also really dirty. To clean the wick, we'll fill up a bucket with warm water. I'm going to put some bleach in the water and then place the wick into the bleach. I found these wicks are very fragile, so I don't squeeze them. I just kind of move it around a little bit to clean everything. As I move it, you can see all the dirt starting to work out of it. In 5 minutes, you can see the stains are almost completely gone. You can also see the water is getting pretty dirty. Knock out all that debris. A lot cleaner. I may need to use some bleach water on this. Throw about all the little details with a toothbrush. After about 10 minutes of soaking, the wick is really clean. Clean out the reservoir in the same way. Wipe down all the surfaces. I've used this method to clean out all kinds of other humidifiers. Once they are clean, I use white vinegar to maintain it and just kind of keep it clean. We'll slowly drain off the bleach water. Let the water drain out. You don't want to squeeze it out. If you squeeze out the water, it'll damage it. Even though we're really careful with this, you can see some light deterioration. We'll let the water drip out of it completely. You don't want to wring it out, because if you do, you're going to totally destroy it like this one. On a flat surface, I'll lay it out so I can see it's very clean, but there is some deterioration. If it completely deteriorates, you can get a new one, but they're kind of expensive. Expensive meaning like 25 bucks. Once this is dry, it'll be stiffer and we'll be able to put it all back together. Overnight, a lot of the water has evaporated. Place the clean wick back into place. Put the cover back into place. We'll fill it with water and cap it. We'll place the water tank on. Let the water drain in. Now that it's drained in, we'll pull it out and refill it. It is a little tricky filling this thing. We'll put the tank back on and drain a bit more water. Turn on the unit. Put it to 50% humidity. We'll set the fan. Right now we're at 29% humidity. That's how I've been able to clean an AIRCARE humidifier.